What's up, everyone? I'm going to take a moment to go over some of my favorite setups into the week. Got about 15 or 16 here that caught my attention. First one is ABV, ABBV. As you can see here, testing the trend. Held the AWOP from the gap up, anchored it right here, holding nicely. Got a nice volume shelf going. Testing the trend, watching for a push above towards the 111 area. This is high on radar next week. Second one is Bidu. Bidu is all over the place, but we are respecting the AWOP here, anchored from the previous lows. Got a ton of volume on that day, and being respected so far. Watching for a push towards 128. You can try and catch the move there, but I actually think it looks best if you wait till above 128. Ball Corp had a nice breakout here. Big fan of the hesitation that we're seeing, same as before in this area. Looking for a push above this volume shelf. Looking good. I think we go above next week. CTSH, Cognizant, nice back test here. Bounce. Big fan of the hesitation and consolidation right here. Obviously we have plenty of that at this level before, so looking to push above towards the 82 area, and who knows, maybe break above as well. Goldman Sachs anchored at the trend break here. We had a nice back test and bounce. Anchored it there, and as you can see, being respected very nicely here. Nice bowl shape going on, big volume on Wednesday, looking to push above, and you have some room to run there. Keys, red day to close out the week, but a ton of volume traded. Trend break, looking to hold. This might not manifest until maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, but I like it over 147. High on the radar is Eli Lilly. So anchored at all the gap ups that we had. Big volume gaps on both directions, but we're testing here. Looking for a push above towards the, let's say 190. Let's go with 195 area. Notice we did have slight volume pop as well. Not a huge one, but it's worth noting. I think we can push above and get to 195 quickly. Sunrun has been a nightmare, but we did hold where we needed. Not once, but twice. And I'm looking to push back above 56. I'd like to get back over this volume shelf here. Ton of volume to close out the week. SeaWorld has been consolidating nicely since February. Anchored at this push up here, respecting very well. Big fan of the divergence in the RSI. Volume pop here, and I actually do love the volume profile as well. I think SeaWorld's due for a breakout. 55 target. Shake Shack, red day to close out the week, but we have been holding this AWOP support. We did hold that on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So no play for me if we break below. Gotta see how we react to the trend line. If not, we'll probably settle around here. But watching for a push back towards the 123 area. Tractor Supply, huge volume pop on Tractor Supply on Friday, and we've respected this trend very nicely. Watching for a push above. As you can see, teased to breakout, wasn't unable to hold. So I think we push above next week and hold. Tesla, very high on the list into next week for a couple of reasons. We'll just go to the 65-minute. And as you can see, we're just respecting both ways. So we've really tightened up on the 65, watching for a break, push towards that 763 area, One thing I did notice on Friday that I think was very, very promising, on the 2-minute chart here on Friday that I was watching, look how perfectly we held this support. I mean, I anchored this at the open, from Friday's open, and we just respect all throughout the day, and just very solid foundation to close out. Did have a trend break as well as a lot of volume moving towards the end of the day. High on the list. Upwork's holding AWOP support nicely, basically all week. So looking we can get a pushback towards the 52 area. Urban Outfitters, not the best looking candle, quite the wick there, but ton of volume coming in, as you can see, way more than previous. Looks best over the 39.20 area, so I'd wait till then. VRNT is one of my favorite looks. Variant, we do have a nice little volume pop here Friday, and it's holding this trend very well. Broke out of this range, and we did push through the AWOP from the gap up. So I'm looking for a push towards 49.63. To me, this is beautiful. Walmart, last but not least here, we do have a slight trend break, small volume gap here, and arrows are pointing to some blue raindrops that gave us a heads up that we're going to make a move. So raindrop at the bottom, push, raindrop, and push. These are nice. Looking for a push towards 143. So some of my favorite setups into next week. Thank you.